Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have another art haul. This one is a little bit more lighthearted. This is just some fun things that I found at my local Dollar General, and some of the stuff I was actually really surprised with, so I just wanted to give it a go and try some things out. This one is just a haul video, and I will have an upcoming video where I actually test them out, so I just wanted to say that as well. But I have some of these wood little panels here that I thought was interesting. It's plain on the back, and it has a nice sturdy like rope handle up here on the top. And let's see, it's roughly 12 inches by 5 inches. Just says like a rustic palette sign. And I thought it would be cool to do like an acrylic landscape on there. I thought that would be fun. So I picked up a few of these, and we'll see how that goes. And this is a really solid piece of wood. It's not like fake or plastic or anything. Yes, that was a really interesting find. That's no different than something that you'd find at Michael's. Probably double the price though. But anyways, so I picked up 3 of them. So there's 2 more, and they're all the same size. And I found these, which I thought were cool. I never saw before. These are paint markers, and I picked up the shades white and gold. So there was that. And let's see here. Oh, this was one that I thought would be really fun. These are some watercolor paints. And at first I thought they were like the, what was it, like the Reeves brand? But all of this stuff is called Art Skills. Art Skills is the name of the company. Anyways, there's 8 different colors in here. And let's see. Oh, there's not that much information on the back, so they'll be fun to test out. And let's see. I did pick up some canvases. I have an 11 by 14 here. And then I have a bigger one that's 12 by 16. And I did find some gold paint. I was curious to see how thin that one was. Sometimes with the cheaper paints can be really thin, but some of them, you know, they can surprise you. Blue, green, always looking for a little bit of extra blue. And again, this is a metallic gold in this one here. So, and that was it for the haul. I think I'm most excited about these watercolors. Like I said, I thought would be fun. Of course, there's no like pigment information or anything like that. This is, like I said, this is just like a lighthearted video that they would be fun to test out. And who knows, sometimes you'd be surprised by the quality. And again, I thought these wood signs were very interesting. Can do some fun different things with that. And that's everything that I found when I was out and about today. And be sure to subscribe and like the video if you like reviews. And I also do lots of tutorials as well. And thank you so much for watching.